Bitcoin trades below $38,000, Ether crosses $2,000. Binance launches Thailand digital asset exchange with Gulf Energy. Global football club Paris Saint-Germain FC launches fashion NFTs with Black Paris. Paxos secures preliminary license for crypto services in Singapore. Philippines to sell tokenized treasury bond next week. Hello and welcome to 3.TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Leading virtual digital assets have scripted a strong comeback trail in the last 24 hours, gaining nearly 4% on an average driven by investor buying, even as the US financial markets regulator, the SEC, has delayed its decision on slew of spot Bitcoin ETF applications. Ruchi Sharma joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
IC15 index, the barometer of top 15 tokens, surged 4.3% to 47,791. US stock futures edged lower but remained relatively close to the flat line, following a positive close in the prior session. The Dow futures contract was mostly unchanged. S&P 500 futures shed 3 points or 0.1% and Nasdaq 100 futures lost 31 points or 0.2%. The main indices on Wall Street ended Wednesday in the green, fueled in part by the largest monthly drop in wholesale prices since 2020 in October. The US Senate has voted in favor of a stop-gap plan that will likely avoid a partial government shutdown. That optimism has reflected in increased investor preference for risky assets such as crypto equities. The global crypto market cap is $1.43 trillion, a 4% increase over the last day. Bitcoin's dominance is currently 51.03%, an increase of 0.25% over the day. BTC added $3,000 in less than a day and tapped $38,000 once again in early hours. As of now, it sits about $700 away and its market capitalization has increased by about $30 billion to over $730 billion. In an interesting update, the South Korean pension fund National Pension Service bought nearly $20 million worth of coin-based shares in the third quarter, local outlet News One reported, citing the NPS latest stock holding report to the US Securities and Exchange Commission. Meanwhile, Arthur Hayes, a prominent figure in the crypto space, suggested a continuation of bullish trend for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. BTC was trading at $37,323, up 4.2% in the last 24 hours. Ether was trading at $2,042, up 2.8% in the similar time span. Binance BNB was trading at $252, up 2.8%. Cardano's ADA token rallied nearly 10% to $0.40. Ripple's XRP token was up 1.6% at $0.64. Solana SOL surged 9.6% at $65.4. Doge, the popular meme coin, zoomed 10% at $0.08. Shiba Inu was up by 6.8%. Polkadot rallied 6% to trade at $5.67.
Thanks, Ruchi. And now back to the headlines. Cryptocurrency giant Binance has begun operating a digital asset exchange in Thailand, launching its first Southeast Asian operation in a market currently dominated by local exchange BitCup. Binance.th, currently accessible by invitation only, plans to open to the general public in early 2024. Binance's joint venture partner Gulf Energy Development notified the Stock Exchange of Thailand on Wednesday that it had received approval from SEC to commence operations. The Gulf Binance platform will provide exchange and brokerage services for cryptocurrencies and digital tokens. Gaining a foothold in the Southeast Asia's largely untapped crypto markets could help build Binance's international buffer as it faces legal and regulatory challenges in the US and Europe. Paris Saint-Germain FC, a prominent soccer club, has teamed up with avant-garde fashion brand Black Paris to introduce an exclusive collaboration that seamlessly combines sports, fashion, and digital art. This collection encompasses both tangible apparel and an initial release through NFTs, representing a distinctive integration of traditional and digital components. The digital fashion release launched through 1,000 NFTs priced at $50 each. It will be exclusively available on the Crypto.com marketplace. Notably, 10% of these NFTs are special editions that can be redeemed for a box containing physical items from the collaborative collection. Minted on the Kronos chain supported by Crypto.com, these NFTs provide early access to purchasing the physical merchandise and potential additional perks for NFT holders. The unveiled prices from the collection exhibit Black Paris's recognizable monochromatic aesthetic, featuring an all-black hoodie and soccer ball adorned with white text. The collaboration is poised to introduce more items, including a t-shirt, welcome mat, and scarf maintaining the cohesive and stylish black and white theme. The physical fashion items are slated for release in the coming week, adding a tangible dimension to this innovative collaboration. In a significant development in Singapore's cryptocurrency space, Paxos, the blockchain infrastructure firm, has obtained a preliminary license from the Monetary Authority of Singapore. This preliminary approval enables Paxos Digital Singapore, the newly established entity, to initiate digital payment token services under the regulatory framework of Payment Services Act. Besides securing the license, Paxos has also announced plans to introduce a USD-backed stablecoin, aligning with MAS proposed stablecoin regulatory framework introduced in August, aiming to ensure robust price stability for regulated stablecoins in Singapore. Only entities satisfying the stringent requirements of the framework are eligible to apply for MAS-regulated stablecoin approval. This move by Paxos aligns with the growing interest in stablecoins, digital currencies tethered to stable assets such as the US dollar. Industry experts predict substantial growth in the stablecoin market, projecting an increase from $125 billion to $2.8 trillion over the next 5 years. The Philippines government said it plans to raise 10 billion pesos worth $180 million through the sale of a tokenized treasury bond next week, in the latest move by a government to embrace blockchain technology to digitize its domestic debt market. The planned sale follows an offering from Hong Kong, which issued an 800 million Hong Kong dollar worth $103 million tokenized green bond in February. The central bank subsequently described in August how tokenization could enhance the efficiency, liquidity, and transparency in bond market. The Philippines Bureau of the Treasury intends to confirm the interest rate of one-year bond on November 20, with the issue and settlement date set for November 22. It reserves the right to change the mechanics of issue, it said in an announcement on Thursday. And now let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update on buzzing coins of the day.
First on the list, we have a Render Network. Render Network, a distributed GPU rendering service, has transitioned from Ethereum to the Solana blockchain, leveraging its advanced technological capabilities and lower transaction costs. This move aims to integrate real-time streaming, dynamic NFTs, and machine learning applications into its platform. To facilitate user migration, Render has introduced an upgrade assistant program supported by Wormhole Protocol, offering an incentive of 1.14 million RNDR tokens. This 3-month initiative encourages early token transfers, with a portion of the grant allocated for early migrators. The switch comes amid significant blockchain growth, with a 144% value surge and a price increase of over 15 times against Ethereum. Solana's attributes such as speed, cost-effectiveness, and scalability aligns with Render's long-term objectives. The integration is expected to further boost Solana's adoption in the blockchain community and potentially reduce Ethereum's market presence. The RNDR token will no longer be maintained by the Render Foundation or function on the Render network post-migration. Following this, RNDR token was trading at $3.17, up near 40% in the last 24 hours. Next on the list, we have Audi. The Bitcoin network recorded a historic number of 505,000 ordinal inscriptions on Sunday, marking a significant milestone in the non-fungible tokens market. The surge in activity ended a period of quiet since mid-September. Despite this congestion, fees for high-priority transactions dropped to $4.28 each on Monday. The total count of ordinal inscriptions has pushed past the 40 million mark, with miners earning approximately 2,438 Bitcoin valued at around $90 million. The excitement around Bitcoin-based NFTs has been mirrored in the performance of DogeCoins, which saw an impressive 545% increase against the US dollar, propelling its market capitalization of $434 million and placing it at the 112th among the 10,900 cryptocurrency currently in circulation. Bitcoin's NFT sales climbed to $92.92 million, closely trailing Ethereum's $103 million for the week. The recent developments highlighting a growth trend of diversification within the blockchain space, as platforms traditionally focused on cryptocurrency transactions are now expanding into digital collectibles and art. Audi was trading at $26, up 25% in the last 24 hours. Next on the list, we have Solana. Institutional inflows into Solana's digital asset investment products have surged, marking a 7th consecutive week of inflows. The surge is attributed to the bullish sentiment of the crypto market, with inflows into Solana increasing steadily. Last week's increase was 15% compared to the previous week. Solana's native token SOL has seen a significant price gain, with its price skyrocketing over 160% in the past 30 days. Despite the ongoing consolidation in Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and other cryptocurrencies, the crypto market has seen a 33% increase in the 7-day time frame. CoinShares' latest report on digital asset funds shows that inflows into Solana reached $293 million last week, with Solana's year-to-date inflows now exceeding $120 million. Solana was trading at $67, up near 13% in the last 24 hours. Next on the list, we have Polygon. OKX, the Singapore-based cryptocurrency exchange with over 50 million users, has partnered with Polygon Labs to launch the new testnet for X1, a new Ethereum-based zero-knowledge ZK Layer 2 blockchain. The collaboration aims to increase the use of Web3 and improve scalability and efficiency of the Ethereum blockchain. OKX Chief Innovation Officer Jason Lau believes that the use of ZK proofs in X1 Pro network could enhance transaction privacy while maintaining speed and efficiency. However, this news had no impact on Polygon's price, as it was trading at $0.9, down 0.97% in the last 24 hours. Last on the list, we have Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu has seen a significant 1,275% increase in large holder net flows, indicating strong buying activity. The large holders net flow indicator from Into the Block measures the volume of inflows minus outflows for addresses. A 1,275% increase in net flow suggests whale accumulation, while decreases indicate reduced positions or selling. Shiba Inu's 677% rise in large holder inflows for the week suggests strong buying activity. The spike in net flows may be due to whales accumulating Shiba as its price fell in hopes of acquiring at a discount. Whales are known to accumulate during periods of dips, and the spike in inflows may indicate whales buying as the price fell and approached key support, from which it rebounded. Shiba Inu was trading at 3.95% in the last 24 hours.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.